Hello everybody, how are we all today? Day 2 of Nat's Family Favourites. I asked her this morning what she wanted and she chose sausage casserole. I haven't had sausage casserole for quite a while. Nice cheap meal in it, sausage casserole. Serves 4 people and it's only cheap, ain't it really? Yes, that's what we're going to do. Let me show you the ingredients. Probably see there, I'll be a good look in a minute. And I'm also going to do it with some mashed potato. And I thought, well, instead of peeling me mash and all that, we'll do it with some Idaho perfect mash, cheesy mash. We're going to use that as 150 from Iceland. Now, I don't go to Iceland often, and I don't know why really, to be honest with you. But when I do go to Iceland, I only look in the freezer aisle. But today I went down and I was having a look on the shelves. There's some good stuff in there on the shelves. I'm going to have to start going down there a bit more. It's just somewhere I don't really look. You just go in the freezer aisle and walk around and that's all. But yeah, £1.50 that was from Iceland. So we're going to use that instead. Nice and simple that is. Just says there, add 475ml of boiling water into a bowl and mix. Bit of extra butter or something if you need it or whatever. That's what we're going to have with it. Anyway, enough of that because that's only a 2-minute job. Right, I got myself 8 Cumberland sausages. I do like a Cumberland. I got my sausage casserole mix, obviously. And I got 2 onions. I've sliced one and I've diced one. So I got a little bit of a mixture. And I got half a punnet of butter mushrooms, which I've just chopped up into like chunks. 300ml of water and some salt and pepper. Nice and simple. First things first is we want to get the sausages fried up. So I've got the oven warming up, you can probably hear it. First things first is get a little bit of oil in the bottom. Don't need a lot because you're going to get it coming off the sausages, ain't you? Just a little bit there. I've also got a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree, which has got to go in as well. So we'll get that heated up. And in the meantime, I'll chop my sausages up. Well, not chop them up, but you know. Unstring them. Okay, let's get all the 8 sausages in, and all we're going to do is just brown them up. That's all. I'm going live tomorrow. Be about 1 o'clock, about 1:45, something like that. If you want to keep an eye out, that's what I'm doing tomorrow. So we're going to do a Nat's Family Favourites live tomorrow. Right, we'll fry them up just for a couple of minutes. Okay guys, now that they're starting to brown up, I'm going to get my onions in now. Make sure this don't stick. I'm it's sticking a bit. Get my onions in and we'll fry the onions up for maybe a couple of minutes. Just keep moving my old sausage around. It doesn't stick. I just broke one there, look. I have found, you know, these Cumberland sausages, I've had these from Aldi for quite a while. Obviously not these ones, but I buy them all the time. And I've noticed lately, they all start falling apart. So I was wondering whether they've started putting a bit more water in them, you know. Because they're not as good as they used to be. Now while that's doing, I'm just going to do my sausage casserole mix in my 300ml of water. Yeah, I say I was at Iceland and I was looking at these. They had a chicken one in there. They didn't have many in there, but the chicken ones were like 55p or something each. That's good, ain't it, that is, for them. I can't remember what they had. They had a chicken and they had something else. So I might have to start looking at that Iceland shelf because I haven't taken much notice of it. Anyway, let's get the mushrooms in. I'm going to put a little bit of this in just to get rid of the stuff at the bottom, get all that goodness. I'm trying not to break the sausages too much because they're quite rubbish now. But hey, all goes down your gob, doesn't it? All goes down your gob. Now I want 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. One. 2 of them. We will fry that for 1 minute. To release them flavours. Some of this coated. Get coated. That's it. That's it. Get them flavours in there. Now we will get the good old seasoning in there now. And I'm just going to bring it to a slow boil. And then we're going to stick it in the oven for an hour. I'm not putting any salt and pepper in yet. I'm going to put it in after it's cooked and then taste it, because I can always put it on there just to warm it through, you see, if you get me. So yeah, we'll bring that to a slow boil. Okay, I think that's slow boiling now. Yep, there we go. Right, I'm going to get it in the oven for about an hour, I think. It says an hour on the packet, but I'll keep an eye on it anyway. It smells nice, actually. It doesn't half smell nice. Right, in the oven then, for about 45 minutes to an hour. I got it on 180 degrees. I've just been looking, guys, them sachets, they wasn't from Iceland. That I said that were cheap. They were from B&M, 55 pence each. That's what they were. And Matt's just asked me, could we have a large Yorkshire pudding? For the casserole to go in. And I thought, oh, so I've made that. Oops, there it is. 4 eggs, 170 gram of plain flour, and 170 ml of milk. That's all. And that shouldn't make too lovely. And I've salt and peppered it. I've got some fat in the oven for that, heating up. And so yeah, we're going to have Yorkshire pudding with it. Lovely. Well, I'm just getting... Oh, that's hot. That oven's hot. I'm just getting me tins out. My big tins for me giant Yorkshires. Fat's hot. And we'll get the mixture in. Oh yeah. And we'll get that rising. 20-25 minutes, don't open your door. Well, we've got about 15 minutes to go. I just thought I'd show you what my giant Yorkshire puddings are looking like. They're looking superb. Let me show you. Look at the size of them beauties, look at them. Oh, it's nearly in the top of the oven. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Lovely. Okay guys, onto the mash. Got to be a bit quick here because my Yorkshire puddings are done. I've got to get them out. I've used 450 ml of water. Says 475. Want it a little bit thicker. And the Idaho perfect mashed cheddar cheese. Let's get this open. There it is. Let's get it in there and we'll give it a whisk. And we just keep whisking till it thickens up. I'm not going to put any butter in it, I don't think. I'll put a bit of salt and pepper in it though. I'll do that at the end. I know people like this Idaho. I'm sure it used to be £1, up like Tesco's, and I had 150 there at Iceland, so same as everything else in it. Okay, that's done. Bit of salt and pepper to taste. Then I've got to get my Yorkshires out before they burn. There we go. Oh, oh dear. Oh dear. Can I grab them? They're hot. I've got about a minute over, but hey, they're looking absolutely delicious. Oh, look at the size of them beauties, look. Oh, yes. There's a couple of things you can't moan at me about, and that's my Yorkshires and my good old roast potatoes. You can't go wrong with your Yorkshires as long as you use the same milk and same water, butter. Anyway, they're done. I've gone a little bit, like a couple of minutes over. By the time I'd done that, it'd gone over. But hey, right, let's dish up. Dinner's ready, darling. Which Yorkshire pudding you having, Bab? Which Yorkshire pudding you having out of them two? Because it's your food.
The smaller one, if you don't.
That one?
Yes, please.
The funny shaped one. You sure? Because I know you like the Yorkshires. And there's the good old sausage casserole. Looks nice, doesn't it? Right, I need some stuff to dish up. You having your potato on the side, Bab, or you having it?
Just plonk it wherever, sweetheart.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just plonk it wherever.
Okay. I've just bought that Idaho ready mash thing.
Yeah, that's fine.
Saved me messing around with mesh. Can't even see the camera. Look, camera, we're not even on. Look at the size of these Yorkshires. Can't fool me on Yorkshires, can you, Bab?
Yeah.
Can't fool me on my Yorkshires.
It smells lovely.
I'm not even prepared, look. Where's my thing gone now? My ladle.
See ya?
I'm all over the place.
You always are at the end.
I'm all over the place. Let's do yours first.
Sure, thank you. I'll wait
Yeah.
for you anyway.
I apologise, guys. I'm all over the place at the end here. How many sausages are you having?
Just
Do you want it at the side, or
yeah,
shall I put it at the side like that?
Just plonk it wherever, straight up, and it doesn't matter.
Some onions, some mushrooms.
Thank you.
I haven't made any gravy yet, but I can make gravy because I thought there would have been more juice in there.
Well, we'll just take it as it
There's Nats. You're going to need more gravy.
Thank you. We'll see that in a minute, we'll do that in a bit.
I bought some of that from Iceland, that golden eye stuff, whatever it's called, golden summit, whatever it's called. Because we've been having some from Aldi normally. It's gone bad, ain't it, Bab?
It's gone terrible. I think they've taken ingredients out and put a thickening agent in it because it's just like jelly.
It's like jelly, yeah.
So I think they've put thickening stuff in it.
So there's that anyway.
What do you think everybody else has problems with their gravy?
I don't know. I'll just make a little bit of gravy, granules. Well, there doesn't look a lot here because the Yorkshire pudding's so big. Oh, yeah. That's been picking at a Yorkshire pudding because you can't wait, can you? No. Go on then, babe. You crack on first.
I've just tried something about this gravy on first.
Oh. It's all about you this week.
That's really nice. It's a shame there's not much juice. And you get what I mean, because it does taste quite nice.
Yeah. Some gravy on.
Put some gravy on now. I'll let you have some and then I'll have and finish it off.
Oh yeah. Let me stick some gravy on mine.
Yorkshire puddings are huge.
I know.
Massive.
Oh. The one thing you can't fault me on, well, two things, them and me roasters. Got a bit left for you, Bab.
Okay. That's better.
Lovely. Yeah, my roasters, my Yorkshire pudding probably 1 minute less. That's just because I was doing that mash, weren't it? But anyway, doesn't matter, does it? Let's crack on. Let's try some of this sausage and let me bring you down, see if we can see. Get a bit of everything. Oh yeah.
That mash is cheesy.
Is it cheesy, that mash?
You can taste the cheese in that. It's nice.
That's nice, isn't it, that sausage in that? That
Yeah.
sausage casserole. It's nice, isn't it?
It's really nice.
Let's try this mash then.
It's a shame there wasn't much juice.
If I'd have thought before I looked, I'd have probably got some water in there and made the gravy out the juice.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what
But
you
I thought there'd have been more juice myself. Otherwise I'd have made, but because we want to eat it now before it gets really cold.
Yeah.
I just thought doing granules, otherwise you could have made this.
Oh no, it's nice.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's really nice. I like this.
Delicious, isn't it?
It's really nice.
Have a bit of this Yorkshire, man.
I've had sausage casserole for ages.
Nah. And that's what you picked, weren't it, today? We're going live tomorrow, about 1:45, 1 o'clock, something like that.
I quite like that mash as well.
That's
you know.
nice, isn't it, that mash?
I've never had that mash before. It's really nice.
For quick, convenient. I remember someone that said to me ages and ages ago, try the harder hoe. Can't remember if I did or not, but that's nice, isn't it? I think I did because it was a pain before. Unless I just looked at it, I can't remember, but it is nice, isn't it?
It's
As I say, there we go.
delicious.
Day 2 of Nat's family favourites. And what you gonna give it, darling?
This, I'm giving it
Ooh.
this was better than yesterday's.
Better than yesterday. I think it's better than yesterday's as well.
I'm gonna go 10 plus plus.
10 plus plus. That's a double A star, Bab. 10 plus plus. There we go, guys.
Delicious.
Try it. You can't go wrong with the roast Yorkshire pudding, as I say. I have done I'll leave it on that eye up here. I have done one of it, but only the little individuals, but it's the same principle. I've got some more left there, look. You can probably see it on the side. A bit more in the jug, which I'm going to make 2 more, and I'll put them in the freezer. That's what I'll do, eh, Bab?
That's a good idea.
Yeah. Anyway, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Oops. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.